Hello YouTube. Just now finished I think it's the Avalanche set. Yes, it is. A lot of people are curious on what is inside. I actually had to buy the Limbo field, but I got everything else in the live event, and yeah, I had to spend like $75K on it. Let's see what we get. I know a lot of people are curious of what you get in here. Hopefully I get something good. Oh, I got a legendary pack. Not bad. I was really hoping to get a player pack, but I got 10 trophy pack. Not bad. 100K. Alright, that's helpful. Got my money back. And this snowman head. I screenshot that because I'm going to put it on my Instagram, my Madden Mobile Instagram. Make sure you follow it. Here, I'm going to do a team update too, because I was going to upload a video earlier and my phone died. Just now picked this guy up in a pro pack, Greg Olsen. Great tight end. 92 catch, 90 speed, 91 excel. I used to have Jason Witten, but he didn't go for much. Jamal Charles, 98 speed, 97 elusiveness, 97 excel, 95 agility, 95 ball carry, 90 carry. Hold on, let me see how much. 30%. Alright, I'm good. Matt Ryan, I got 93 throw power, 94 short, 91 mid, 90 deep. 2 out in. He's a good player, but sometimes not too good on the field. 97 speed, 96 catch, 96 excel, 96 agility, 90 jump, 94 elusiveness, 90 ball carry. 94 speed, 96 catch, 93 excel, 92 awareness, 94 agility, 91 jump. You know, it's not too much to say everyone, but I'm just going to show you. Got Vontae Davis, Jimmy Smith, Morgan Burnett, Ryan Kerrigan, Clay Matthews. This guy just got picked up in the, I think it was a Fleur set. I was really glad. 99 pursuit, 99 hit power, 94 excel, 90 agility, 94 strength, 92 speed, 90 tackle. That is pretty damn good. Von Miller. He's a good player. I got for a speed, 90 speed, 95 excel, 93 pursuit, 93 hit power, 90 tackle. So he can get around the line really quick. Pat Pete. He's honestly my favorite player in the NFL. I had to get him. I'm trying to get the team of the week, but I'll get him later. I got Devin Hester, Tavon Austin, punt return, kick return. Special team's not too good, but it doesn't matter because I don't punt or kick. I mean, I do kick off, but I don't punt. And here I'm gonna. Oh yeah, let's see what we get in here. So I don't have to do separate videos, you know. You guys aren't too interested in this, so I'm just gonna quickly go through it. Yeah, that's whatever. And then alright, this is what I'm curious in. I really want a legendary player. Come on. Well, I'm gay. 77 cornerback. Dominique Roger Cromedy, 83. Alan Ball, 75. Sandbog, collectible. Cecil Shorts, and the Quentin Couples. That's kind of upsetting. I'm gonna do another elite player set pretty soon. Let's see who just sold. Sorry, this video is kind of long. That's cool. I really wish that This guy sold, but I guess no one won for 75K. Jason Witten sold. Des Bryant sold. I thought I'd get a lot more for them. It's kind of upsetting. I'm putting back up at 75K because I'm not going lower than that. I shouldn't have to go lower than that. Please, someone buy him. And put him. Get this 100K real quick. And I'm gonna go put that in the set. Try to finish it. I'll make another video about that once I do finish it. If I ever do finish it, it's a pretty expensive set. If I ever pull the 1 mil, I'll definitely complete that set. I had the coal, but for some dumb reason I sold it. The lumps of coal right here. And wait, hold on. How long is this? Am I recording? Oh, it's a long video. Sorry guys, very sorry. I want to do this flurry set real quick. I've done a lot of these. I mean, not that much, but I mean, I just bought for 6,000 since I don't want to have you guys wait. I'm not going to try to snipe them. Here we go. Alright. See what we get in here, guys. I might make another video on a Pro Pack opening. I'm going to spend all my money. See what we get in here. 800, 10K. Not too good, but oh. Alright, thank you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys later.